game is fucked up, boy. Watch this. They POV. How fast your car gonna be gone?
Oh, I'm stuck.
Somebody didn't know what they doing. This shit under 10-15 seconds. He moving slow.
So there's no way to come through your building. Bro, we're fucked on this one.
Watch this. Plug the phone in. Connect Wi-Fi. Alarm gone.
There was a lady out there calling somebody.
Oh, fuck.
Soon as it got power, the alarm gone.
Connected. Perfect.
And it's not going off.
Didn't connect fully.
Where's that fucking going?
Bad USB port.
Disconnected. Fuck.
Found the right one.
No. Fuck, we're about to get fucked.
Connect to the Wi-Fi in the
Yeah,
truck.
this shit's fucking...
Come on, you're right.
Boom. Hack sent. As soon as the Wi-Fi connect.
This like okay, we're
Okay.
come on, go.
No
Oh!
more TRX.
Get fucking rolling.
Texas too. See the Texas tag?